Hello, welcome to the Concept Builder platform. Today we are going to discuss about PhD. What does PhD stands for? PhD is basically has a lot of abbreviations, but here we have extracted some of the most important ones. As you can see that PhD is an abbreviation of philosophy doctor or doctor of philosophy. PhD has also abbreviated as Pacific Health Dialogue. Not only this, PhD is parametric high definition. You can also abbreviate PhD as Pathfinder Healthcare Development. Moreover, PhD is also can be read or abbreviated as People Helping the Disabled. But today we will only talk about the PhD Doctor of Philosophy or Philosophy Doctor. Doctor of Philosophy. PhD is short for Doctor of Philosophy, academic or professional degree. PhD lies within the doctorate category. As when we will talk about the origin of the PhD, then we can see that regardless of its name, the PhD is not an old Greek degree. Rather, it's a considerably more ongoing turn of events. The PhD, as far as we might be concerned, was created in 19th century Germany, close to the Advanced Examination College. PhD means in Latin. When we talk about the Latin, then a specialist of theory, PhD or DPhil, Latin philosophy specialist or specialist philosophy is the most widely recognized degree at the most noteworthy scholastic level granted after a course of study. PhD duration. PhD duration is same in the whole world, but all things considered, a PhD may require as long as 8 years to finish. A doctorate certificate ordinarily take 4 to 6 years to finish. This planning relies upon the program plan, the branch of knowledge you are contemplating, and the establishing offering the program. As we have talked about the PhD and its abbreviation, origin, and in the Latin, so it was all about our little discussion. We warmly welcome you, and we want to always welcome you at Concept Builder platform. If you like our video, then subscribe and press the bell icon button to get our new and latest video. So thanks for watching.